In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GTIN and MPN to Google Merchant Center next for Shopify. This is a crucial step to ensure your products are listed correctly on Google, potentially increasing visibility and sales. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by adding the GTIN and MPN within Shopify itself. Head over to your Shopify admin and select Products from the menu. Once you're there, pick a specific product you'd like to edit. Scroll down to the variants section, which is where you'll be able to make adjustments. Choose the variant you intend to update. This will open up the editing page. Now scroll to the inventory section. Here, you'll come across two important fields, SKU and barcode. The SKU field is crucial because it is often used as the manufacturer part number, or MPN. It's generally a unique identifier for the variant product within the manufacturer's line. The barcode field is where the GTN comes into play. GTN could be anything from a UPC to an EAN, or even an ISBN depending on the type of product you are dealing with. So go ahead and fill these fields accordingly, enter the GTN in the barcode section and ensure the SKU matches the MPN if that's how you've structured it. Once you've filled in these details, your next step is to click Save. Saving your changes ensures that the data you've just entered is securely stored, ready to sync with Google Merchant Center. Now it's time to double check if everything syncs correctly in Google Merchant Center next. After a brief synchronization period, visit Google Merchant Center next, navigate to the Products section and click on All Products. Here you'll see an overview of all the products that have been synced. Pick a product, then click on Edit Product, or it might be labeled as Product Details, depending on the interface update. As you scroll down, you'll want to look for the GTN, MPN, and brand details listed there. If by any chance you notice that GTN or MPN is missing, rest assured that it's an easy fix. Simply click Edit and add the missing GTN or MPN manually. Don't forget to save your changes afterward. This ensures that your products are set up correctly for Google's system to read them accurately. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough method to add GTIN and MPN for your Shopify products, enhancing their compatibility with Google Merchant Center. This process not only helps accurately list your products, but also increases their discoverability when potential customers search online. Thanks for watching and happy selling.